Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Alka. Today I will show you how to prepare aloo gobi matar masala or aloo gobi matar ki sabji. Mainly during winter, this is a very popular and common recipe in every Indian's kitchen. There are different ways to prepare these. The method I have done, which I like the most and it turned out to be very tasty, that I am going to share with you in this video. Watch my video till the end. Let's begin. Take 2 cups of water for boiling. Once water starts boiling, add chopped cauliflower or gobi into it. Boil for 1 to 2 minutes on medium to high flame. This is to remove insects from the gobis. And add pinch of salt and mix it. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame. Take out cauliflower and keep it in a separate plate. You can see cauliflower has become soft and tender. Take a kadhai and heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once oil is heated properly, add chopped potatoes into it and fry it until light brown. I have taken 2 medium-sized potatoes. You can see potatoes will be almost half cooked after it becomes light brown. Now I will fry cauliflower. Normally, once you add the cauliflower into the hot oil, it begins to splutter. So cover the lid for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Turn and fry from both sides so that it will be evenly cooked. It's done now. For making masala, heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. I have taken 2 roughly chopped onion, 2 green cardamom, 3 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 4 garlic, 1 inch of ginger. First adding the whole spices and saute for a minute. Adding ginger and garlic, saute it for a minute. Fry the onions till it becomes transparent. We don't have to fry the onions till golden brown because it needs to be transparent and we are making paste. Adding 3 small sized chopped tomatoes and cook the tomatoes until it becomes soft and mushy. Adding some amount of salt so that tomatoes will be cooked faster. I feel masala is little bit dry, so adding some water. And I'll cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes, then masala will be ready to make the paste. I will keep all dry spices into a single bowl. Half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon cumin powder or bhuna hua jeera, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon red chili powder, and half tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Adding little bit of water and mixing it. This is to avoid burning of masala when I'll put into the hot oil. Heat kadhai and add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. I'm using mustard oil here. You can use any type of oil of your choice. Adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it crackle down completely. 2 bay leaves. 1 dry red chili. Saute this for a minute. Adding dry spices masala mixture and saute this for a minute or till oil separates. Do this only on low flame. Adding the masala paste and saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Adding salt according to your taste. You can see masala has separated from the base, so masala is done now. I am now adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt or curd. Use fresh curd here. Adding half cup of frozen green peas. You can take fresh green peas as well and mix it and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Add fried cauliflower and potatoes and mix it well. Leftover masala and adding water as needed. I am here preparing dry gobi masala. If you want gravy, you can add more water. Cover the lid until cauliflower and potatoes are well cooked and mix it in between and cook this on medium to high flame. Potatoes and cauliflower is almost cooked. Now adding 1 tablespoon of kasturi methi leaves, half tablespoon of garam masala, and 2 to 3 chili. This is optional. And give this a good mix and cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Our tasty gobi masala is ready. Finally garnish with some coriander leaves and serve hot. I hope you like this recipe. Give this a try and enjoy with roti, paratha, naan or rice. Friends, give this a like and share your feedback in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new upcoming videos. Do check out my channel for interesting recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye. Enjoy.